And as much of the city continues to dig out, some neighbors on Staten Island say they're still waiting for help. They say their streets haven't been plowed at all and they feel abandoned. Naveen Dhaliwal has the latest from Sunnyside.
The streets are very hilly and narrow here in Sunnyside, and some of them still not plowed 2 days after this storm. Some neighbors here are now taking upon themselves to clear the roads. Now, over on Elm Place, just a few blocks away in Sunnyside, neighbors have not been able to also move their vehicles in 2 days. DPW is trying to plow, but it turns out some plows are getting stuck, like this one on Alpine Court, due to the large amounts of snow. Some residents say they gave up trying to get to work today, worried if they get stuck before even reaching the main road. Others have been out with shovels for hours, carving narrow paths just to move their cars. Now, the DPW interim commissioner says the city's unique terrain and geography makes snow removal especially challenging for some parts of the city. But he's insisting crews are working hard to reach every neighborhood. However, those living here are trying to be patient.
It's kind of concerning that they've just kind of forgot about us, but at the same time, I'm sure that they've prioritized other streets that people need to get to, like, main locations of things.
It's dangerous. Like, you need to get out. You need to be able to get out.
With another 1 to 2 inches of snow expected overnight, some are just shrugging their shoulders. They say at this point, it's not going to make or break them. In Sunnyside, Naveen Dhaliwal, CBS News, New York.